Hey guys, what's up everybody? Rizwan Parmar here and today I am super pumped as always. So today I am doing something different than my usual. I call it 50-50 or half-half. You name it. It is like doing half part of canvas a different painting and on the other half a different one. So as per the order, I will be doing half part fluid art and the other half part I will do Urdu calligraphy. In this video, I will be covering only fluid art part and in the next one I will show you the final piece. As far as my imagination goes, yeah, it will look beautiful. Before going ahead, I would love to shout out our community. Massive congratulations to the comments of the week. Thanks for supporting this channel. Now, if you are interested to be featured too, you can leave a comment below in this today's video. Anyways guys, let's get right into the video. Okay, so one of my friend asked me that which is your favorite piece of art of yours? Cause we always have that curiosity that artist makes lot of paintings and some of his paintings just get touched in our heart. So what is his favorite painting? This is nice question. My answer to this question will be always the same in my life. No matter if you ask me today or in the far future, my favorite piece of my artwork is always the next one. Yeah, always. The next one is my favorite. Now let's enjoy the rest of the video. this is stunning. This technique is awesome and it is very easy for beginners. You can give it a shot too. Try it. I also did this technique in the smaller piece because I loved it so much. Comment below how is it, and any suggestions, best comment will get a shout out in the next video. Like this video if you like it, subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you in the next video.